How to change Facebook Messenger ringtone now. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the settings application on your device, and as you launch the settings application, simply scroll down and tap on the option of notifications and control center, or you can simply tap on sound and vibration. So as you tap on sound and vibration, you can see there are different options over here, but to change the ringtone, there's no option. So we're gonna go back and simply tap on the option of apps over here, then tap on the option of manage apps and simply search for messenger application on the search bar at the top of the screen. So as you search for the messenger application, it might take few seconds to drag the app on the list over here, so you might have to wait for a few more seconds, but after a few seconds it will drag up the app and you just need to tap on it. Now tap on the option of notifications over here, and here you can simply scroll down and tap on the option over here. So there are different options, so what you can do is simply tap on the option of show notifications over here, and you can simply tap on the option of other, tap on sound, and as you tap on sound, it will take us to a new page where you'll be able to see different ringtones available for you. So you can select from your local ringtone or pre-installed ringtones as well. So I'm going to tap on choose local ringtone. So as you tap on it, you can simply select on music as well, and as you tap on music, it will show up the list of all the music we have. Then I'm going to select on one of the songs over here, and then simply tap on OK. Now all you need to do is tap on apply, and there you go. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.